Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Solutions, your one stop to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. So, today we are talking about Canada, which has taken measures in order to reduce the number of temporary residents, including international students and foreign workers. Canada is reducing the number of study permits given to international students. This is in order to control the number of temporary residents entering the country. This reduction will affect the students who are still in the process of applying for a study permit, and gradually it will decrease the number of international students in Canada. Another key change includes stricter eligibility for work permits for the spouses of international students and temporary foreign workers. However, the government is reviewing and reducing these provisions and making sure that only those who meet the tight criteria can get the work permit. Reducing the work permit eligibility for spouses can gradually decrease the number of individuals competing in the labor market in Canada. Also, the temporary foreign worker program has been under scrutiny, particularly for its treatment of the low-wage workers. This policy aims to prioritize the local workers for available jobs, especially in the industries where the unemployment rates are high. There has been a growing pressure on the government in order to make a clearer path to change the status from temporary to permanent residency for the students and foreign workers. Despite these calls in the recent announcements, government did not announce any issue to change the migrants from temporary to the permanent status. As a part of the broader immigration policy shift, the government has also rolled back certain expansions to temporary foreign worker program introduced in 2022. The new policy reduces the number of maximum shares of low-wage temporary workers that an employer can hire. This was some important news about Canada that has announced major changes for the foreign workers and students. Stay tuned for more such videos because we will keep coming back with more such information. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.